Automatics.
Go.
LO2. Go. LH2.
Go.
ASGAS. Go. Electrical systems. Airborne.
Go.
Ground.
Go.
Facility.
Go.
RFFTS.
Go.
Flight control.
Go.
Instrumentation.
Go.
Tom.
Go.
Timer.
Go.
GCQ.
Go.
Umbilicals.
Go.
ACS.
Go.
Red line monitor.
Go.
Quality.
Go.
Op safety manager.
Go.
Relay safety officer.
Go.
Vehicle system engineer.
Go.
Range, weather, and clear to proceed.
Go.
Launch director.
Launch vehicles ready to launch.
Mission director.
You have permission to launch.
Proceeding with the count.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. We have ignition. 2, 1, 0. We have liftoff of the United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket carrying the second space-based infrared systems mission for the United States Air Force.
Current altitude is 10 miles, downrange distance is 6 miles, 2,037 miles per hour. Booster engines continuing to perform well as we accelerate at Alpha limited stern enable. Stern has been enabled and a minor roll bias change in attitude has been accomplished. Downrange distance is 6 miles. Current velocity is 2,037 miles per hour. Booster engines continuing to perform well as we accelerate at 2.1 Gs. Coming up on our Q Alpha limited stern enable. And stern has been enabled and a minor roll bias change in attitude has been accomplished. Signatures look good. Booster engine performance continues to be nominal. RCS pyro valve has been fired. That system is now pressurizing to flight levels. Signatures look good. Currently accelerating at 3.1 Gs. And the booster is making a roll change for thermal conditioning reasons, and that roll has been completed. Booster continues to perform well. Current altitude is 42 miles, downrange distance 89 miles. Current velocity is 6,909 miles per hour. Coming up on the 5G throttle segment, currently accelerating at 4.8 Gs. And boost phase cooldown has begun. The Pogo Pyro vent has been fired. Currently accelerating at 5 Gs. And throttle back to 4.6 Gs in preparation for MEKO. Boost phase chill down is complete. And we have MEKO. Engine shutdown looks good. We have retros and stage separation.